In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix MetaTrader 4 or 5 common error. So one of the most common errors for MetaTrader 4 and 5 is going to be having a hard time connecting through the servers. So if you're having this problem, you want to restore your router or Wi-Fi that you are using, ensuring that we have secure connectability to the servers for MetaTrader. From there, we also want to close the application completely and open it back in to make sure that everything works smoothly. So right after that, you also want to re-log in your account to make sure that it's connected to the right server straight through your broker. And basically right after that, that should help you fix some common errors for MetaTrader. If you're still having errors for MetaTrader, this simply means that you have installed a copy of MetaTrader that has corrupted files. So you want to uninstall the application completely and install it back in. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.